welcome back to my channel, and I have two students. And today we're at SeaWorld, and I invited them because I wanted them to have fun. We're gonna go get wet, and we're gonna go adventure. Let's go to the starting. They're like fishies. The little fishy that take off your skin.
Oh, he's coming. I'm so scared. You are participating in your last
I can't put it because I'm holding the camera.
stamp is at 1:15. So you have not yet, if you guys want to get those all 6 stamps, a special presentation and afterwards the stamp off your booklets. So if you want to get the penguin and Kelly, you get your booklet and cut right through Oceans Explore. You'll see right on the other side of Electric Eel Roller Coaster next to Wild Arctic, there's the penguin encounter. And that is one of the 6 stamps you need to get today.
So right now I got my cup here. What kind of cup did you get? A purple cup. She got an orange cup. Show your orange cup. It's an orca. Shamu. Killer whale. Orca. Hey, you put your hands in, I'll put my hands in. I don't want it. Okay, here. I'll try to put it. You want me to hold it? No.
The trinkets remain completely still, just like a statue.
Okay. I like it. Oh, let's go to the shark thing music. Look, it's over there. Yeah. Come on, sharky, sharky, sharky. That's cool. Yeah. Their eyes are cute. It feels weird. You feel it. How does it feel?
I think.
It's soft. It's too soft.
Hey, Natalie.
Oh, I love that feel. Yeah. So soft.
¿A qué hora ya? 1:30. Listo. 20 minutes. Vámonos para agarrar.
Come on, let's go get wet, guys. Woo. Wait, are you gonna get wet?
They're so soft.
Yeah.
Like super squishy at the same time.
How do you feel? Petting nothing. She's petting nothing, guys. Like, hello. Dolphins. Oh, it's over there. Over there. Oh, remember we used to feed them?
Yeah.
Oh God, he's going. Look how much people there is. Oh my God, I'm Michael Jackson. Hey, yo, you're getting yourself wet. Play your camera! trouble over here. My talkies. Wait, let me get in there. I just slipped down. Hey guys, we're in like a ship. I don't know what it is, but I was scared the first time that we were coming. But look at the ocean.
At all times.
Since we are getting close to the inside. When she pops up, go ahead and wave at her. Look at that, you're building a relationship already. Very nice. Josh, go ahead and give her that fish. Now she eats about 23 pounds of fish every single day. There's another Caitlin.